Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso. So yan, kaka-deliver lang natin ng ating Lemonada business. And on our way back, pag-usapan muna natin yung isa sa mga very classical poems na napakaganda ng message. Ito yung Footprints in the Sand. Kung di nyo pa alam, yung kwento nandun sa poem na yun, no? Parang may time daw na nag-review siya ng mga memories niya, something like that. And nag-flashback yung mga memories. And may mga pagkakataon na may footprints sa sand. Pero kapag mabigat yung mga pagkakataon, isang set of footprints lang. Pero kapag light naman yung mga pagkakataon, yung mga memories, dalawang sets of footprints. So sabi nung writer, si Mary, sinulat niya yun nung 14 years old siya. Sabi nung writer dun sa poem is, nagtataka siya, Lord, bakit ganun? Kung kailang mabigat yung mga pinagdaraanan ko sa buhay, kung kailang madami akong pagsubok, madaming problema, that's the time na isang set of footprints lang yung nakikita ko sa sand. And then, ang ganda nung ending, guys. Sabi dun sa ending, because that's the time that I carried you. Ayan. Kaya isang footprints lang pala ang nakikita. So, napakagandang reminder for everyone. If you feel like you're alone, you don't have no one, diba? That's not true. The Lord will be using a lot of people to touch your lives, to speak to your heart, diba? To become instrument and channel of His blessings. All we have to do is to be open to that, to open our hearts to that. So, ayan, mag-hello muna ating mga kaibigang oso!
Hi!
Ayan.
Thank you, Teacher Stan.
Ayan. So, thank you for all your Lemonada orders. Just message Teacher Lucy. Bye-bye!